Hello and welcome back to our channel. In our previous video, we learned how to convert integer binary numbers to decimal numbers. Make sure to watch it. Link is in the video description. In today's video, we will be discussing how to convert fractional binary numbers to decimal numbers. For you, as a quick reminder, binary numbers use only two digits, 0 and 1. In fractional binary numbers, we use a decimal point to separate the integer and fractional part of the number. The position of the digits to the right of the decimal point represents negative powers of 2, starting from -1, -2, -3 and so on. So, while converting fractional binary number to decimal, we multiply each bit in the left of decimal by 2 raised to the power of number of digits up to decimal point, and multiply each bit after the decimal by -1, -2, -3 and so on. Let's learn the conversion method using an example of 11001.101 to the base 10. First, we multiply the bits in the left side of the decimal point. There are 4 digits after the first one, so 11001.101 base 2 equal to 1 into 2 to the power 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. And moving to the bits after decimal point, we get 1 into 2 to the power -1 plus 0 into 2 to the power -2 plus 1 into 2 to the power -3, which is equal to 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0.5 plus 0 plus 0.125, which gives the final answer of 25.625, which is the final answer. And that's it. We have successfully converted a fractional binary number to a decimal number. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content.